So this is the lower unit of the duplex. Obviously needs some kitchen, some fixtures, a little bit of updating in the bathroom, unless you're a fan of this. There were tenants in here not that long ago, but it just needs a little bit of cosmetic work. Overall, pretty big unit, basically a 2-bedroom unit. So flooring, paint, trim, all cosmetic stuff really. A little bit of stuff in the ceiling here. We had tried to wholesale this deal actually, but at $550 people didn't feel like there was enough meat on the bone, which is surprising because all the houses on this street are selling for $700 and above. But that's what we're just going to do now. So laundry, and yeah, it should be a pretty quick job. Got job for all the flooring and everything like that. Starts today.